Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to eat acorns. Acorns are a type of corns that grow on trees much like bananas, but unlike bananas, they take a bit more work to remove the incredibly toxic poisons within them. When you're eating a banana, you should only have to remove the thick, rubbery shell before eating. With acorns, it's a little bit different, and that's why we've made this video for you. First, gather a big wad of acorns in a bucket or hat or pail or bag of some kind, then put them on a picnic table and start mashing them apart with 2 river stones. Please use smooth river stones. Then peel off the husk of the corns and whittle them into manageable chunks using your stepdad's old knife. You'll know that the corns are the right size when you're able to trick somebody into thinking that they're peanuts. Just look at that. Doesn't that look like a plate of plain, unsalted, raw peanut pieces that you had for dinner last night and the night before? Could have fooled me. But I'm pretty easy to fool, so maybe I'm not the best example. Show the acorn pieces to a doctor, and if they think it's peanuts, it should be safe to eat.